If you dig into a scoop of healthy soil, what do you see? Dirt? Maybe a worm? Well, it turns out a single handful of soil is more like a bustling city, home to billions of microbes. And for years, a popular idea in climate tech has been that we can just tell this microbial metropolis to suck up atmospheric carbon. Trying to get all these microbes to agree on one thing, though, is like trying to get your entire extended family to agree on a pizza topping. There's always that one faction that wants pineapple, and another that wants anchovies, and suddenly the whole plan falls apart. A 2024 review paper by Pratyush Malik, published in the Journal of Global Innovations, takes a hard look at this microbial complexity and offers a useful reality check on their role in carbon sequestration. The big problem we're trying to solve is removing excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. A tempting and simple-sounding solution is to use soil. The idea is that we can enhance the soil microbiome to pull in carbon from decaying plant matter and lock it away for good. But this view often treats microbes like a programmable machine, a carbon storage fairy that will do our bidding if we just sprinkle them on the ground. The reality, as this paper highlights, is much more complicated because microbes are alive. They have their own metabolic needs. So, the author didn't run a new experiment with shovels and test tubes. Instead, they reviewed a wide range of existing evidence, connecting the dots between soil chemistry and microbial metabolism. They focused on a critical mechanism that's often overlooked, the metabolic tradeoff. It's the fundamental choice every microbe has to make about what to do with the carbon it consumes. The key finding is that soil microbes live on a knife's edge. On one hand, they can take carbon from plant leftovers and use it to produce sticky glues, called extracellular polymeric substances. This goo binds soil particles together, creating stable aggregates that protect carbon from being released. That's the storage pathway we want. But on the other hand, microbes need energy to live. They get that energy by respiring, essentially eating that same carbon and breathing it back out as CO2. It's a two-way street. So what does this mean for us? It means the dream of simply adding a super microbe to fix our carbon problem is probably a fantasy. Instead of being microbe dumpers, we need to become habitat tuners. The research suggests that by adjusting conditions like water availability, nutrient levels, and farming practices, we can gently nudge the entire soil community to favor the build and store pathway more often than the eat and release pathway. It's a more subtle ecological approach. It's not about forcing the microbes, but about creating an environment where storing carbon is the winning strategy for them. Me trying to decide whether to use this carbon to build a house or eat it for lunch. So, what do you think? Does this more nuanced view of soil change how you think about the ground beneath our feet?